huko. So make sure sasa hawa watoto wetu wako na wimbo mzuri, wako na mambo mazuri, so that they become part of the ecosystem of our national celebration, because indeed they are heroes in their own way. So nimeshukuru sana kwa kupata hii nafasi na kwenu kuja kunitembelea. Na washukuru mumenijaa sana nyinyi. I mean, you guys are just amazing, and I am truly grateful, and congratulations to everybody who has made this work. Congratulations to our girls from Joytown and the good people from Joytown. Your performance was great. Asanteni sana. It just brings the whole of society into this ecosystem. Asante sana. May God bless you. As you go back home, pelekeni salamu zetu kwa wazazi wenu, kwa mashule yenu, to all the places where you've come from, and safe travels as you go, and let's meet again next year. God bless you. Thank you.
One more round of applause for His Excellency. Thank you so much, Your Excellency, for that wonderful, encouraging